Alright, just going to make a quick video on servicing a Seat Leon FR. It's a 1.6 diesel. Just doing air filter, cabin filter, oil filter, sump plug and some oil. Don't worry about the front one being off, that's unrelated. But basically I'm just going to start by draining all the oil out. Just want to get a 19mm and just on the back of here, might need to jack the car up, so just get that on the back. Alright, ended up quickly jacking the car up because there wasn't enough room to get some leverage on the ratchet, so but there you go, it's 90mm, just undone that, let all that drain. I'll just leave that to drain and we'll get on with the air filter. These are just T25 bits. Just leave them like that, you don't need to take them all the way out. Okay, I thought it had one, but it does look a little dirty. Do I leave this in? Do I change it? I'll have a little Google of that. See what these are like, see if they're any good. If not, I'll just change it. If they're decent, then I'll just leave it in. Had a quick Google, apparently they're really good, they last forever, so I've given it a little wipe down. You can wash them, so I'll get some stuff to wash it. But normally, just change out for one of these. You just put that in its place, like so. Like that. Put the lid back on. And then just screw it back down. Alright, all the oil's drained now, so got a new sump plug and washer. So I'll just quickly scoot that one on. Still size 19. Just screw that in. Then make sure to tighten it up. Probably just, you need to like tighten it a little tighter just because it's a new crush washer, so you want it to be crushed. Just don't obviously over tighten it. And then you got your oil filter up here. Don't know if you can see, it's there. You've got a 32 on it, 32mm socket. Put the bar on that and tighten it, let it drain into there. Then take that off. So I'll just quickly do that. Alright, so I've got the oil filter out. A little bit of a struggle because them pipes in the way. So I've made a bit of a mess. That's alright. Got some brake cleaner. So spray that up here. Catch all that in the bucket. And then I'm just going to give this a little clean because it's covered in oil. Bin that. Put new seals on, new filter in. Alright, so I've cleaned all that up. Now all you want to do is just take this O-ring off. There you go. Oil filter. Plastic bit goes to the bottom. New O-ring. Just make sure it's seated properly. And then just install that back. I'll just screw that back in. Alright, that's all in and tightened up. And some plug washer, that's in and tightened. So now I'm going to put some oil in it. Alright, this takes 4.3 litres of oil, so we'll put about 3.8 in, check it, and then just add as I need to. Try to set it up somewhere so you got a little. About 3 litres. About 3.8. Obviously needs to circulate and everything first. Make sure I'm getting some on the dipstick. Yep. Ideal. It's only about halfway up, so obviously when the oil filter is soaked in all the oil and it's run through the engine, it'll be even less, so top a bit more up. Then I'll run the engine and see if it needs any more. That's about 4.1 litres, so there we go. The dipstick again. Yeah, that's about the top, so well, jacket. Oh, oil pan. Move that on jacket, warm it up. I like to just let it run for a couple of seconds, just get all the oil circulated. It's back on the ground now, so do this and I'll check the oil levels, and If they're alright, leave it. If it needs a little more, add a little more. That's basically that. There we go. So that's how you change the oil. I've already did the fuel filter, but it's literally in here. Just take these torque bits off. I think the T20. Just take them off, lift that up, pull the fuel filter out, put it back in. I've already changed that the other week though, so yeah, do the cam filter and then we're done. Alright, all you do for the air filter, it even comes with instructions, some of them, so very simple. Just make note of the direction of the airflow. But you just go in your glove box, pull it down, just squeeze this side bit, and then just under here, that there at the back, it's just clipped in. You just push these clips. Probably can't do it one-handed. Yeah, I can do that. There you go, I've got this off. All you do is you just pull this down. I'll push on the bottom ones as well, it usually helps. But just pull that off. And then, there it is. As you can see, looks filthy, so let's have a look at it. Oh yeah. Oh, that's never been changed, 100%. That is disgusting. There's a new one for comparison. All black and it's just full of stuff. Yeah. So that one needed changed. Which way did that come out? There you go, arrows pointing up. So then all you do with this one, make sure the arrows are pointing up, and then just push it in. Like so. And then put this back on. There we go, that's all that clip back in. And just shut that. And there you go. So I'll check the oil. I like to check it the next day as well, just to make sure everything's at the right level. But it's spot on at the moment, so check it tomorrow. Needs a little more, add a little more. But yeah, that's it. So we found this video helpful, and thanks for watching. See ya.